In this video,
we will learn how to install car mods in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to add and install car mods, all you need to do is firstly open up our browser. From here type GTA 5 mods, then hit enter. After that, we'll head into the GTA 5 mods website. We'll just need to open it. From here, head into the vehicles tab, and from here you can select whatever vehicle you want to download, and in order to install them, just head into that mods folder, click on download option, then download. Now the download has begun. After the download is complete, we'll just extract them into a new folder, and in order to install it, we will need to head into the installation directory of GTA 5. So open up the game launcher you're using. From here, click on manage, then installation. After that, you'll head into the GTA 5 directory. In here, all you need to do is just head into the folder, then copy this file. Now head into the mods folder, update x64 DLC packs, and paste it in here. Now all we need to do is copy the name of our folder. Now we need to open up OpenIV. Click on GTA 5, and our OpenIV will start loading. After our OpenIV loads, we'll head into the mods folder, then update.rpf, comment, data. From here, we will head into the bottom hand side until we find the DLC list. First, we will enable the edit mode, then right click on DLC list.xml, click on edit. Now we'll need to add a path in here called m4comp, just like this. Then click on save, and we can close it. Now we'll need to open vehicle spawner for our vehicle. Then we'll spawn by name. In here we'll type m4comp, then hit enter, and our new vehicle will spawn. So this is how you can easily add vehicles into your game and drive them as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.